Standpoint theory or standpoint epistemology is a theory for analyzing intersubjective discourses. Standpoint theory proposes that authority is rooted in individuals' personal knowledge and perspectives, and the power that such authority exerts. Standpoint theory's central concept is that an individual's perspectives are shaped by their social and political experiences. The amalgamation of a person's experiences forms a standpoint, a point of view, through which that individual sees and understands the world. In response to critiques that early standpoint theory treated social perspectives as monolithic or essentialized, social theorists understand standpoints as multifaced rather than unvarying or absolute. For example, while Hispanic women may generally share some perspectives, particularly with regard to ethnicity and gender, they are not defined solely by these viewpoints. Despite some common features, there is no essentially Hispanic female identity. Standpoint theorists emphasize the utility of a naturalistic or everyday experiential concept of knowing. One's standpoint shapes which concepts are intelligible, which claims are heard and understood by whom, which features of the world are perceptually salient, which reasons are understood to be relevant and forceful, and which conclusions credible. Standpoint theory supports what feminist theorist Sandra Harding calls strong objectivity, or the notion that the perspectives of marginalized and oppressed individuals can help to create more objective accounts of the world. Through the outsider-within phenomenon, these individuals are placed in a unique position to point the patterns of behavior that those immersed in the dominant group culture are unable to recognize. Standpoint theory gives voice to marginalized groups by allowing them to challenge the status quo as the outsider within the status quo, representing the dominant position of privilege. The predominant culture in which all groups exist is not experienced in the same way by all persons or groups. The view of those who belong to groups with more social power are validated more than those in marginalized groups. Those in marginalized groups must learn to be bicultural or to pass in the dominant culture to survive, even though that perspective is not their own.